Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, thinio scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli, ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila banlek puli, da ka education loan, pila urban chukol hau number, kandai nyo, saw, san rio prano, lani kandai pran rio laisan, an riway kandai pran. Dr. Dipankar Das, Ubadai Chief Interventional Cardiologist, Unsawan Hanongba Shillong, Haka Arpanyutarek Ujamang Arjar Pulai, Ha Woodland Hospital, Bat Pila Balne Ikandu, Nadu Kapor Katwi Biji Sheneng, Bat Pila Ruban Shukol Hau number 90890-97907.
Haka Khalai Tarik Ujamang Arjar Apulai, Ka Mid University of Meghalaya, Kal Sngewbha da Trok Niut, Yakador Shnong Mawkasiang. La IT yang ni ketrok du Vice Chancellor jong ni University u Dr. Malhar Pangrikar hak jing alang kabelalong hamaran Shnong umro hak ni kesngi la don kat lang urang ba Shnong ka Mawkasiang u ba Tishal Ding Kharkongor u Pro Vice Chancellor u Dr. D Bhattacharya bat kiwe pat kinong kit kam Shnong ya kan ni jing alang la penyai du Secretary Shnong u ba W Khan
Rishibun ya kapor ka Bakodor ke jong pi. Sir, thank you so much for your time, sir, and we pray to God that God will bless you and the MIT University and the faculty members as a whole. And we are looking forward in the near future also we will work together for the development of the society, and we will work together also for the interest of the MIT University in the campus. Shibun ya rangba Shnong kita mesti komiti jong rangba Shnong Mawkasiang ipi ki rangba jong ka Shnong ga don kat lemangi ke kolong di sosngan Shibun apila bena semran lemangi ne kapor ipi ki long kimi ki kun samla jong ka Shnong ka plek kapor ka Bakodor ga jong pi.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. My humble gratitude expression towards firstly headman Bakhaim as a secretary and council members for allowing us to have our presence in Meghalaya, which is a stable presence. As a university, we are very much committed for education. Education is what we are looking for. And with the help of Darbar and the key members, which I mentioned, we could make this possible. So as a part of all extensions, Dr. Karad, who is the founder of the university, Dr. Sunil Karad, he expressed and extended the gratitude towards Darbar village by extending some opportunities and some help in the form of small truck. So it's our blessings that we are in Mawkasiang, and one of the place where villagers, the council members, headman, general secretary and other fellows whom I have interacted are very open-minded. They look very much forward for the development of the village. This is my learning, and the impression about Meghalaya is improved a lot. That gives us the confidence that we can add a great value into their livelihoods. So with this, having it very short, as it's a morning way, we all have to have our own task to complete. I again thank Headman Sir, council members and Bakhaim as a secretary, and as in definitely he has been helping us a lot in many other aspects also, for giving this an opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for that short and sweet speech. Vice Chancellor jengi wong ai kublei ya Darbar Shnong Mawkasiang pun ni baru kuwei ya tilang baru kan baron apa jong ni limpong jong ni kejaka. Wong ka University ka MIT University of Meghalaya ka pet nang syakman. Panon ra yang nang di start apa omtang hapo kan ni kejaka bre ya jela Meghalaya baru kuwei. Baru wong ba ai kublei na du Dr. Karat bari try jong ni university baron mata apa pune. Upa jing ai kublei ka bagerbang ya Darbar Shnong Mawkasiang pelun ya ka bakalan no senjang banyak tingkat bak MIT University harni apo ro e u bai senjro jengi u ong ba kibriu jengi harni apo Mawkasiang kilong kibriu iba frank hado kata-kata iba syai hado kata-kata nama kini kitrang ya ka development ne ka roi ka para Shnong jengi ai kublei nam ta kani perfai rong kalong ka jikai ru nam ta jungu Bandira apat ya kani kejinglong kejengi saka-saka kejungu. Wai kublengi baru nadu orang Bashnong get what estate committee jong Bashnong yang aru wai bat ya baru kinong Shnong jong kedor Bashnong Mawkasiang baginang betul syukrang baginang roy nang pa hasil yang baru. Kublai Shibun Dr. Malhar Pangrikar belong Vice Chancellor jong MIT University. Thank you so much, sir. And now we will come to a last moment. So with this, I would like you to take a knife and take a scissors to cut the ribbon so that as we have handing over this crop to us, so we will be utilizing it in the future. Ryan,